So our final segment is the rapid fire. Well, self-explanatory. So we ask you questions and you need to give us quick and short answers. So how many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
0.
Your proudest moment with Main Street?
Seeing my first employee go from not being able to wake up before 11 a.m. to show up at office at 10 a.m. every day.
Damn, okay. What was the one time you felt like you let Main Street know?
We had an accounting discrepancy last year, but I don't know, I think that was me letting it down from day one. That was a regret that, okay, day one I should have been on top of this.
Okay, interesting.
Your favorite Main Street product?
We have our own brand called Gear.
Yeah.
Gear has a really nice white hoodie. really nice.
Yeah. What is the scrappiest thing that you've done to build your business?
Dude, first 2 years at the Bombay store, I lived in an apartment. It was a 2-bedroom. I slept in one room. The other room had 2 employees, and around their bed was racks full of inventory. And the outside area was ops and like shipping. So like 6 people a day used to work. And I couldn't like sit in that house. It was terrible.
Wow.
There was barely any place to walk. I lived with that for 2 years.
Damn.
And we had this one scooter that my ex-roommate like left in Bombay when he moved back to Pune. And like me and these 2 guys used to go to the store every day. And it was great. Like I never looked at it. It was such a luxury at the time to have an apartment, to be able to pay full rent for the whole apartment, to have these 2 employees. It was excellent. But I look back, I was like, wow, that's a cool hustle. But, it was amazing. Like just
that's mad.
Yeah,
but it is objectively scrappy, but time of my life working with them, it's a lot of
fun. Your emotion when you first fired someone?
Cold. I don't care. If they're getting fired, they shouldn't be here. It's their fault. Big opportunity to build something massive. If you're not taking it up, it's on you. Get the fuck out of here.
Damn. I think you're like the first person that like said it outright. Everyone's like, oh, like scared this, that.
He's free cancer, so he doesn't.
No, they should not be
No,
here.
but like
I'm giving them such a big opportunity. If I'm gonna take it up, it's on you.
Fair.
It's not like I'm putting in any less. I'm putting in everything.
Yeah. What did or will you do with your first profit?
It's gone. Game went.
What do you do with it?
I've never really bought myself anything. But profit, just making money, just allowed us to live a bare minimum comfortable life, which gave me good joy. Like today, I have a car driver. I have a great 24/7 help at home. Like my life is very luxurious, but at a very bare minimum level. Like I have extreme luxuries at a bare minimum level. Like I don't have to pack my own bag. I don't have to make my own food. My food is like weighed and macro like set up, and all of that is incredible. And I have a great gym trainer. All those things like mean everything to me.
Yeah. Books or podcasts?
Podcast.
iPad or notebook?
iPad.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Right now, I wake up every morning, but I'm not a morning person, so I'm neither.
Fair. And your favorite social media platform?
YouTube.
So yeah, that concludes the rapid fire segment.